Hey guys, well you look at here, it's a fan with only two blades, and it's the, the fan blade. It has only two because I broke two blades off. See? There was that one and this one. They're both broken off. Okay. This is for the light right here. And I'm going to demonstrate this fan. Make sure I don't break another fan blade. Okay. Time for load speed. Wow, it's not actually that bad on low speed. But the high speed sounds like a helicopter. Look, it's going. Okay. It's not actually that bad. Let's put it on medium speed. Wow. Speeding up. Okay. Okay, guys. This pen is a piece of shit. Wow.
Stop swearing.
Sorry. Okay. Time for high speed on this pen. Here goes. One of the ports and it broke off. Was for the light and I broke it. Okay. It's not actually that bad. Okay, let's spin down. Spin down. It's not actually that bad. Wow. Someone sell. This is the fan. It's used to have 4 blades, but I broke 2 of the blades, and that's no good. Like I saw, this was 4 blades, but I broke 2 off, so now there's 2 blades now. See? Let's see. It's on high speed. Wow. Okay. Goodbye.